Good morning, students. Today we are going to do a worksheet on the topic a and an. So, we all know that there are 5 vowels in our 26 alphabets, that is A, E, I, O, U. So, those words which start with these letters are counted as vowel. So, let's do this worksheet. The first word is bike. So, can you please answer me that what we have to write here, A or an? Yes, I hope you all are right. And here we have to write a bike, means A. Okay. The next would be a bouquet. Okay, because it's B. The third one is dash ice cream cone. So it's I. So here we have written an ice cream cone. The fourth would be desk. So it is a desk lamp. Okay, the 5 is dash rocket. So it is a rocket. The 6th is apple. A means an. Here we have written an apple. The 7th is armchair. So here we have to write an armchair. The 8th would be bottle. So here we have to write a bottle. The 9th would be watermelon. So here we have to write a watermelon. The 10th is dash basket. A basket. The 11th is dash eggplant. We also used to call brinjal as eggplant. So here we have to write ANN eggplant. The next is office chair. So here also we used to write an office chair because A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. The 13 is dash cup of tea. So it should be a cup of tea. The 14th is staller. A staller. 15th is dash envelope. So this time we have to write an envelope. And 16th is bulb. So here we have to write a bulb. Hopefully you all understand where to write A and where to write an. Please comment me in chat box if you want another worksheet like this for some other topic. Please let me know. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.